Hello everyone, this is Shivam Rajput back again with a new video on a video series of CSIR for Sciences of Finally data are announced. In the last video I have told you that it is going to happen in December, in the second week of December. Now finally dates are announced. So it is there in the fourth week. So here you can see that 58 minutes ago the upcoming CSIR UGC NET examination is scheduled on 26th, 27th and 28th. So इनमें से किसी एक डेट पर maybe on 26, maybe 27 or 28, the exam is going to happen. The dates are online for the application process shall be released shortly. So get ready for application process. Maybe in few days we'll get the online forms. So be ready. Now, as you guys know that since it is going to happen on 26th, let's take it 26. So for that we have 95 days, and in last video I have given you 175 hard challenge for CSIR. So now you are having like 21 days more, 75 or यहाँ 95 22 hours. So that means you have 20 days extra. So that 20 day you can utilize just for previous year question and revision. So kindly go and join my 75-day hard challenge for CSIR if you really want to crack. And we are providing you all these stuff, the entire CSIR crash course in just 4,000, just 4,000. We have extended the period since most of the students are still joining with the same price. So the original price of this entire course is 14,000, but we are providing you for 4,000 only. So contact us on this number and join our Atholic Academy. Best of luck, guys.